Ladies and gentlemen, Vieira here with the stockmarketlive.tv. Facebook lost more than $50 billion in market cap since my live market call at precisely the very top $195. I announced for the first time, completely for free, in real time. For the past years, I announced for the first time that I closed entirely the investment position on Facebook. I upgraded shares of Facebook at $20 to strong buy when no one believed in Facebook. The Americans, Forbes magazine, were saying Facebook is going down to $14 per share. You remember, right? Okay. Facebook 195, I'm going to show you here the article. Meanwhile, you have it here. You see this? More than $60,000. It is on my hands here, okay? This is real money. This is the net profit per less than 1 minute. 1 minute trading Facebook. Real money, my friends, you see? Real money, all right? Now I'm going to show you here this live, all right? The article on the blog of the company, the title is very explicit, you know, for those that they have problems that, you know, they don't believe that it's possible to trade or invest in the markets with 100% accuracy, thanks to artificial intelligence. Alex Vieira, artificial intelligence fund, sells Facebook long-term investment at $195, okay? So this article, it is here ahead of the collapse in Facebook, all right? So how did I know? Well, that is the $1 billion question, and the value of artificial intelligence. Everyone is making millions of dollars per day. You have it here, you know, live, this, per less than 1 minute trading Facebook. Live on the tape, always, ahead of the collapse, $163.45. Thank you.